Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. As you guys know, I also love unboxings. I just received my Walmart beauty box for spring 2025. If you're unfamiliar with the Walmart beauty box, I have received this in the past and I decided to resubscribe. It is a $6.98 plus tax little box. It's curated through Walmart. You get it every season. And I love that for this box, in my experiences in the past, it's very much geared toward that particular season, which I really love. There's also usually a lot of new releases and stuff that are kind of peeking up in the kind of drugstore realm or in the Walmart realm. So it is a box that I always had really good experiences with. So we are going to dive in. There will generally be a little informational card in here. So it is Beauty in Bloom. I'm not going to check that out just yet. And you tend to get about 5 items, and then sometimes I'll throw in like little sampler items and stuff like that. First up, we have a Degree Advanced 72-hour Motion Sense Dry Spray Antiperspirant. Oops, sorry about that, you guys. I love spray deodorant. I do use spray deodorants. I use a regular deodorant, and I also use a clinical deodorant. So I use different ones for different things. Next up is the CeraVe The Gentle Hydrating Shampoo. Next up is something super cool. I love press-ons. These are the Sally Hansen Salon Effects Perfect Press-On. It has 30 nails. The glue and the tabs are included, and they are in the colorway or the style I Heart You. And if you know, you know. I absolutely love pink. I love everything about the color. And they're kind of more of like a sheer like jelly nail. Ooh, those are pretty, you guys. So definitely excited about those, and these more than likely are the cost of the entire box. Next up is the CoverGirl The Super Cloud. Ooh, this might be a new release for them. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Super Cloud Mascara. This is in brown, which I love, and it says new. It says weightless length and light as air lift. The packaging and everything looks great, and that wand also looks amazing. Definitely excited about that. This also is worth the price of the entire box. And then I have one little sampler packet in here. This is the NYX The Face Glue Gripping Primer. I am actually currently using this, not today, but like it's in my rotation right now and I really enjoy it. So those are our products. We got the shampoo. I wish we would have gotten the conditioner, which maybe we were supposed to get it. I don't know if you guys could tell, but my box has kind of been around the block, so I don't know if maybe one of my items was missing or I was supposed to get something else. But we got our shampoo, we got our deodorant, we got our press-ons, the mascara, and then the NYX the face glue. And then I will show y'all the little pamphlet. This is Beauty in Bloom. Let's see. That springtime radiance. Go fresh and glowy with the season's beauty curation. Shop the full sizes and get ingredient info at walmart.com. And we could have gotten the CoverGirl Lash Blast Super Cloud Mascara. That is a retail of $12.99. That more than pays for our box. The Sally Hansen Salon Effects Press-On Nails. Those green ones are cute as hell. They are $7.48. So again, you know, the price of the thing. And then over here, it could have been what we could have also received. So I will put this up close for y'all. Look at that, y'all. I also love green, like love, love, love. So here are some other products that we could have received. I feel like I was supposed to get both, you guys, because it says anti-dandruff hydrating shampoo and conditioner. So I think maybe I was supposed to get both. I'm not quite sure. I'm still thrilled. I think for $7, I think it's a beautiful box to get, you guys. And I like that we have a really good mix of everything. The shampoo, the nails, the deodorant, you know, a makeup style product. So I'm happy to have the box back again. Thank you guys for all the recommendations. You guys have definitely requested more unboxings here on the channel, and I definitely try to accommodate you guys in the best way that I can. So yeah, if you've not tried the Walmart Beauty Box, I also really love that you're paying $7, but you're only paying for it every few months. And everything is kind of geared a little bit more towards us shifting into like the spring months. And then a lot of times, like in the summer boxes, we'll have like glowy type things, SPF type products. So I really like that they actually pay attention to the season that they're kind of curating the box for. Yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled. Sorry about the glasses, but y'all know mama can't see, and I'd rather y'all see the glasses than the marks from the glasses on my nose. Thank y'all so much for joining. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you, of course, to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.